Hello, thank you for watching my video. My name is Nate, but I mainly go by Kuma Crochets. Hopefully I can share what I've learned about crocheting amigurumis to help you with your plush projects. If you enjoy free patterns or crochet content, please check out my website in the description below. My website has all my socials from Instagram, Twitter, and Discord to stay updated. I'll also be linking all the tools and materials that I use for my projects, which are also in the description, from yarn, hooks, and accessories. Let's get to it. So for today, I'm going to teach you how to make a slip knot and how to chain from that slip knot. So we're going to have our yarn here. We're going to have our tail end and the rest coming from the skein. So what I like to do is pinch both ends, twist, open up this top loop that we created, and pull the end yarn through it. Make sure you grab the two bottom strands right here and pull it. You'll know you did this correctly if you're able to pull this knot and it completely undoes itself. So let's demonstrate that one more time. So we have two ends. We're gonna grab both ends down here as such. I'm gonna pinch it. We're going to twist it. It doesn't matter which direction, as long as you know which strand to pull. So the yarn that is going to be overlapping the other one, that one is going to be the one pulled through. So we're going to grab the yarn as such. You're going to have a little pretzel shape right there. You're going to know you did it correctly when you have a little pretzel. So from there, I'm going to pull, and you have your slip knot. So from here, you're going to see two directions. You're going to see the yarn end and the skein end. You're going to want your project to come from the skein end. So wherever the loop is, your hook's going to go right through it, and your hook is going to point towards the skein end. You're going to pull tightly so that it's on your hook, as so. And that's how you start your slip knot. So now I'm going to demonstrate how to make a chain. So what you're going to do is pull your yarn over, pull right through. Make sure you keep your tension consistent throughout the project. Try not to make it tighter as it gets to the end of the hook. I'm going to grab your yarn, point the hook downwards, and then pull through. You should see a bunch of V shapes representing your chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to demonstrate a close-up of a chain. So, with our slip knot on the hook already, what we're gonna do is yarn over our hook. Make sure our hook is grabbing the yarn. Point it downwards towards your body or towards the knot, and pull that loop into the initial loop. You're gonna bring the hook back up, and that's how you reset. So we're gonna grab yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through. What I recommend is as you're working your chain, you pinch the new loop that you just created so that your tension stays consistent. Because if you hold it too low, you're going to have trouble having consistent tension, and it could cause your project to be either loose or either really tight. So to have it consistent, grab it towards the base of the new loop that you just created and pull through. And move on up as you keep going.